What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. Thank you so much to all my subscribers that follow me. Some of you guys are recognizing me in the streets, which is wild, but nevertheless, today I'm going to show you this awesome house is in Berwyn, 3416 Euclid Avenue, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and then it has a really nice updated kitchen, and I believe it's a 3-car garage. The first thing that I kind of want to point out is the style of the house. It's a beautiful house. You have a nice front porch here, okay? I do love the profile of the property as well. You guys will also like and appreciate this what we call hardscape. Anything that you see in a real estate contract, hardscape refers to stuff like this. Planted vegetation, of course, is like plants and flowers, roses and stuff. Believe it or not, if you have like a tree that's like a dedication tree, or if you have roses that are special to you because somebody gave them to you or something, you planted them special with somebody, if you wanted to, you could take them with you if you put it in the real estate contract. So even if these bricks right here, let's say somebody gave you these and you just have to take them, you could take them with you just depending on how you write your listing agreement, your listing contract, okay? So hardscape, and then the actual stuff that gets planted is called planted vegetation, and that's on the real estate contract. Come on up and follow me. This is the porch area, really nice. Out here, the owners, they probably had a really good time sitting out here with their lemonade, you know, maybe apple pie, you know, and hopefully it was like 70 or 75 degrees out here when they were out here, but it's nice. Tell me in the comments if you agree with me. But let's go inside, okay? Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful house. I like it. My mom would really like this too. Mom, if you're watching, I know you like this house, okay? So here's the living room, okay? You have a lot of space in here. Think right away, this portion, this half is of course your living room area. So when you come in, maybe you have couches there, maybe couches this way. Your television is more than likely over here on this wall, or your television could go over here, but you know, you would have to put something up here to sit it on, or you'd have to put a mount. You do have a vent right there, so maybe that's not the best place for it. I would definitely say you would want to utilize this wall. Now, there's no lights in here. If you want to point that up there, check this out. There's no light in here, and there's no light switch. So one of the first updates that I would make to this area would be either to do can lighting, or you leave this all alone and maybe just have somebody come in here and knock out some electrical in the center so that you can illuminate, or you just face the facts and get yourself some lamps, right? Now, of course, we're in the dining room. Nice chandelier, I do like it. Good space. The nice thing about this property is that the width that you get out of here in this dining room and living room is good. Is good. I like it. I like it. You're gonna hear me say like a lot in these videos, you guys. So I do enjoy it. It's really, really nice. Windows look good. Nice wide open windows. Right now it's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon or evening, you know, and you still got a lot of sunlight coming in. The sun is facing the back of the property at 6 o'clock. That's why when you saw us out in the front, it was not dark, but the sun wasn't hitting us because the sun's coming this way, not that way. But that's okay. So I love these doors here. We can close them. You would have a little bit of privacy on this side of the room. Maybe people are watching TV over here. You don't want to disturb what's going on over there. You close those doors. But obviously this is where they had their television, which is really nice. And then over here, they have stained glass, and they do have something like plexiglass covering it up. You have a fan here to you know, to cool yourselves down, which is nice. Another added bonus here, they threw one of these guys, a fireplace, keeping this area clean. When you have a property of this size, you're either going to have a really great working heating system. When you throw these in here, it's just an added benefit to make sure, like if this side of the room is getting cold, you throw one of those in there, you'll feel a lot better about the heat situation. Now, I do love this. I don't see a lot of these in the houses, especially the ones that are like super updated. But this is nice, a little breakfast nook. Have your cereal here in the morning, and I swear to you, I would be looking for your houses, or I'd be editing your photos if you guys had me sell your house, which I would love to do. Anybody wants a realtor to help them buy or sell, I got grants, I got lenders, and if you want to sell, you guys see what kind of marketing I do, so I would really appreciate your business. Phone number's in the video somewhere. But yeah, breakfast here, which is cool. Over here we have we have a nice kitchen island right here. You notice the chairs, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got one on the edge. I do appreciate that. It's a nice long counter. A lot of the times the counters, when I see them, they stop here and you don't get this space. This is a whole nother probably like 2 feet, 2.5 feet that I see that this house has that many others don't. Another thing here, these beautiful lights, these are like stained glass style lights. I'm used to seeing super modern lights. I like lights like this. My mom likes them like that. It's character. It's what I was raised on. So Mom, if you're watching again, I know you like this house. She's gonna call me, hey, that house you posted, the one you said I like, help me buy it. No. You like your house, Mom. You like your house enough. Okay, now, rest of the kitchen, really nice cabinets, okay? Red oak colored cabinets, right? You have a nice little area here for wine glasses, you know, regular size stove, a nice stove. We have a dishwasher, a nice modern upgrade that the property has. And then over here, usually you see one window. This kitchen has the double size windows. That's cool. That is super cool, right? Good water pressure. You guys know how I am with my water pressure, okay? There you go. And of course over here, you open this up, close that. I think over here we do have a Lazy Susan. Everyone loves a Lazy Susan. There you go. Super cool. Now, something else that I do want to show you guys is the bathroom. Really quick, follow me this way, Mr. Cameraman. I skipped the bathroom when I walked in, okay? This is the first bathroom on the first floor. There is a whole toilet over here, okay? But what we want to see is the actual shower in here. So on the first floor, we do have a shower, we have a toilet, and then we have another sink. Oh, my OCD with the water, okay? Now let's go this way. We're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you guys the deck. And there is a 3-car garage that I think you guys will appreciate. Okay. So, open this gate here. And I wet my hand, so now I have a hard time turning the knob on it. But here we are. It's a nice deck. I will say it needs to be weatherproofed. Okay, it's not. I don't think it's weatherproofed unless like my eyes are deceiving me. But check this out. This is cool. This is a nice area to sit down, barbecue. You know, you're gonna barbecue somewhere over here, and this is where you would sit down and actually enjoy yourself. I can appreciate that. If you come this way, Mr. Cameraman, and check this out, look at all this space that we have over here. And look, there's a swimming pool over there. Okay, we'll go down there. Come on, let's go down there. Check this out. There's a swimming pool down there. I was gonna stop here and go back inside, but we're gonna show the whole yard, because this is a lot of space that I think everyone needs to appreciate. Okay, carport here. Okay, now you can't bring a car in here. You have this tent here. I called it a carport because it's usually what it is. But if you got a motorcycle, if you're gonna work on anything here, you have the space to utilize. You come down here with this 3-car garage. I guess you could pull something in here, but I don't know. Here is the rest. The concrete on this thing looks really good. And then I do guess technically, if you wanted to jump out of that window and jump in the pool, don't do it. You could. Now over here, we have a nice little lounge area. This place must be kicking in the summertime, you know? You're gonna be the house where everyone's like, hey, do you mind if I come over? It's 100 degrees outside. And then all of a sudden you got a barbecue. You're gonna have to make sure everything's clean. People are gonna come over. You guys know, for those of you out there that have pools, tell me in the comments, how many times do people reach out? Hey, are you guys home? Yeah, little Jimmy wants to jump in the pool. You tell little Jimmy to go jump in the tub. Come on, follow me this way. We are going to head downstairs. Actually, no, not downstairs. We're going to go upstairs. And when I say upstairs, there's 2 upstairs. You'll see what I mean. You'll see what I mean in a second. There we go. Follow me, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you guys got any questions about the house, let me know. Put it in the comments. You can reach out to me, 708-205-7121. But this place is nice. Okay, your 4 bedrooms are up here. We're gonna start off over here. First bedroom, okay? Big enough, twin size bed, maybe a full. I would like to do a home office in here. It has a closet, okay? Over here, bedroom number 2, good size, twin size bed, full size bed, you'll appreciate it. No closet though, okay, no closet. But it's still a nice sized room, can't complain. I believe these are the stairs to go upstairs one more floor. Over here, we have can lighting, okay? We have a fan. We have a gigantic closet, okay? Nice size closet, check that out. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, I'm a sucker for hats. This is a Stetson. Do I dare? I do dare. I love hats so much. Oh man, that was great. All right, too bad it's not my size. I think I need like an 8 or a 9. So here is the primary bedroom, okay? This is the main bedroom of the house. And it has some extra details in it, making it the primary. Like we have this beautiful framework up here, okay? We have this awesome blue light special that you guys can see up there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There's can lights, there's a fan, and then if we come in here, we have a really nice closet system for your clothes and all that. Pretty cool, okay? Now, we're gonna go that way to the primary bath, okay? Jacuzzi tub. Everyone can appreciate a jacuzzi tub. It's nice and wide too. Okay, nice and wide. Obviously, we have the toilet, but over here, we do also have a shower as well. That's pretty nice, and it's tall. You know, usually if I see showers, sometimes I see them here, and I'm like 5'5", but this guy's pretty tall, which is cool. Okay, really nice primary bedroom. I appreciate it. We have over here another bathroom. Yep, that water works. I like the positioning of this toilet. It's in the corner on a diagonal. Look at that. Yes, it works, okay? Really nice tile. This is my favorite tile in the house, my favorite bathroom in the house. Besides, you know, like the big jacuzzi tub, you got one of these. They updated this bathroom, you can tell. All right, cool. And then look how high that is. That's super high, okay? And I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but there is a vent in the background, a ventilation system in the background, so that you don't have mold collect and all that. You need to have it vented. So we are going to go upstairs to the next floor. All right. This is the very top floor of the house. It's a whole finished attic, which is nice. Okay, huge closet. Good doors, good heavy doors, by the way. These are like the strong wood doors. All right, look, you even got that latch up there. Down this way, big window. Here's all your light coming in. And if you guys can remember what I told you at the beginning of the video, that's the back of the house. Lights pointing this way. This is just so that you can get on the side for storage. There's a little window in there, access to your ductwork. Over here is where they have the AC system over here, which is cool. Now we are going to go to the basement. For those of you guys that haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now. If you're on your home TV watching me and you want to subscribe, I believe you just have to click down on your controller, and then you'll see a thumbs up, or there should be some sort of subscribe button. The majority of the people that watch this channel watch me on their televisions, which I found to be really cool. And the handsome man you saw in the mirror, that was my son. He's cameraman today. Cameraman Tone. Look how long it's taking us to get to the basement. But it's worth it, you guys, because this is a nice basement. Here we are, okay? You got your ductwork here, so the basement's gonna always have, either AC or gas forced air. Okay, we have a little area over here, accordion door, turns on automatically. You can stick your stuff in there. That's nice. Get a view of that bathroom really quick. You do have a bathroom down here, very simple bathroom. You know, it works, right? Now over here, living space, right? Living space down here in the basement. This is a nice area here. You have glass block windows. I believe this probably serves as like a little table to throw stuff on top of, I believe. But Over here, we have a wet bar. Okay, so we have this countertop here, this thing right here. Let's see. Yep, that water works. That water works. We have a refrigerator, and by the way, if you ever see a refrigerator in the basement, make sure that if you want it to stay in the basement, when you write your offer, you make sure your realtor puts in the offer that you want all the appliances, including the ones on the lower or upper levels. Super important. Come this way. We have a nice little room right here, okay? Super cool room, but if you turn around that way, you'll see the other zone of the, your AC and furnace unit. You do have a washer and dryer right here. Again, make sure it's in the contract. And guys, that is it. If you guys want to see more video tours, you can click on these videos here. If you want to see more tours in Berwyn, click over here. But if you want to subscribe to the channel, click on the big circle in the middle. Really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys